Measure 2. Your left hand will start with your pinky and your thumb on octave Bs, and it will move to octave A's one key down when you get to beat 1 of measure 3. Your right hand will be playing the same thing it did in measure 1, thumb on G sharp, third finger on C sharp, and fifth finger on E, and for beat 1 of measure 3, your thumb will move to an A key. Measure 2 with counting out loud. 1 and a, 2 and a, 3 and a, 4 and a, 1. Measure 2 without counting out loud.